here at Ambi. This is an Indian restaurant in R-Cube Manad Mall on the 5th floor. They have a personal elevator, so you can come through this. And this is by the name Ambi, the heritage dining. Let's go inside and see. देखते हैं अंदर कैसा है. See the door. How beautiful the walnut. This is all walnut. Beautiful. It's all good, beautiful wood. Let's go inside. Wow, that is amazing. Nice. So you see, I'm entering. So they have these plants on the sides. Both the sides they have plants. And ये देखिए कितना सुंदर अम्बी लिखा हुआ है. It's so beautiful. Ambi. It's all in a very dull blue color and very beautiful. Let's go inside. Itna sundar hai, very nice. Something very exclusive. Look at their woodwork. It is beautiful wood and this beautiful. It's Ambi Restaurant, the heritage dining in R-Cube Manad Mall. Recently opened. So they serve Indian cuisine, the heritage Indian cuisine. Very nice. And look at the ceiling. Beautiful. How beautiful it's carved and done. I think it's really pretty. A must come. I like their table. See their cutlery and beautifully set. And all in brass. It's all brass. How lovely the touch lamp is. Beautiful. Everything is in brass, which is very healthy. So you know, when you eat in the right utensil, कहते हैं जब आप सही चीज़ जिसमें आप खाना खाते हैं उससे आपकी सेहत भी ठीक रहती है. So that is something very nice. And this is the bar. At the back is the bar. Beautiful bar. And it's all beautiful. Look at this. It's lovely. I love it. Look at the pillars. Everything is done so beautifully. I love it. Very, very pretty. This is so gorgeous. बहुत ही सुंदर. Very nice. So this is okay. They have outdoor also. So let's go and see. This is a seating where you can have a comfort seating with the cushions and sofas. It's very nice. And look at this. Look at their paintings. ये देखिए कितना सुंदर इनकी छोटी छोटी उसमें paintings हैं. On the, it's all on canvas and framed in wood. Beautiful. Again, this is Ambi, the heritage dining at R-Cube Monad Mall. और इनके ये देखिए कितने beautiful chandelier, like shell chandeliers. Best part is that it is all, I think it's a silk, it's a raw silk fabric which is made into lampshades. Beautiful. Beautiful. See how beautiful. And this is again their dining. Beautiful. Look at this, so pretty. Then they have outside also, seating outside. Let's go बाहर चल के देखते हैं. बाहर की seating आपको दिखाते हैं. So beautiful. Let's go out. So they have this in winters. It's going to be really pretty. ये बाहर की seating है. So you can. This is the smoking area also. So if you, those who like to smoke or fag, they can come and check. Have their dinners and lunches here with their smoking sessions. So that's it. And see this. ये देखिए कितना सुंदर बना हुआ है. They have it up, ऊपर भी है. So they have, ऊपर जाके भी आप जा सकते हैं. So they have stairs. Let's go up and see. यहाँ पर इनके stairs भी हैं. So चलते हैं ऊपर. This is really beautiful. Really, really pretty. Okay, so I'm just showing them basically how you can go up and आप ऊपर जाके भी ये देख लो. यहाँ से अभी हो रहा है. They are getting it renovated. अभी सारा बन रहा है. So it's all getting done. But you can have a look. I'll just show you from here. कैसा है. अभी ये बन रहा है. So this is under construction. So this is how it is. It is upstairs also. So but it will going to come out very beautiful. यहाँ से बहुत सुंदर आएगा इनका. This is the Ambi restaurant, the heritage fine dining. Beautiful. Let's go down. बहुत ही अच्छा है. You can come with friends, family and enjoy your lunches, your dinners, your kitty parties. So बहुत कुछ हो सकता है. This is really nice. So that's it. this was it from here. So this is so pretty. Let's go in. Beautiful. That's it from here. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. They are making the drinks there at the bar. देखो कितना अच्छा से drinks बना रहे हैं bar में. She is actually making, and he is also making a lovely mocktail. I think it's a cocktail probably. I guess so. So this is beautiful.